If you've received a letter from HMRC, or you find yourself awake at night wondering how to manage the next VAT bill, understand that you're not alone. Many experience similar stress. Business directors face these daunting challenges every day. Over the past 2 decades, I've worked alongside directors facing some of the most daunting challenges in their business journeys. It quickly became clear that directors rarely make poor decisions out of neglect. Instead, they often feel overwhelmed. There are too many letters, overwhelming deadlines, conflicting information, and just too much noise. This is exactly why DebtDecoded was established. DebtDecoded was created to help you cut through that noise and find a systematic approach to articulate your circumstances. My career began at the Insolvency Service, where I worked as a senior examiner investigating companies and directors. Many of those investigations involved unpaid taxes, director misconduct, poor financial controls and businesses that had been allowed to drift into serious financial difficulty. This gave me a unique insight into how problems develop. I saw firsthand how HMRC investigates cases and why so many situations become far worse simply because directors don't have the right information early enough. Later in my career, I worked as an insolvency practitioner and forensic accountant, helping directors, accountants, and businesses. I helped those dealing with financial distress, business recovery, and insolvency situations. Across all of those roles, I saw thousands of businesses under pressure. One lesson became clear. Most directors don't make poor decisions because they don't care. They make poor decisions because they're overwhelmed by information, deadlines, creditor pressure, and uncertainty. That's why I created DebtDecoded. When HMRC initiates pressure, everything tends to feel urgent. Should you immediately make a phone call? Can you inquire about a time to pay arrangement? Should VAT or PAYE take precedence? Is your company still viable? What documents does HMRC require from you? Could you potentially face personal liability? The sheer quantity of information available online can yield countless responses, but many may not apply to your unique situation. Others could be outdated or erroneous. The real challenge is not just accessing information, but deciphering what truly matters in your specific context. Introducing the HMRC Pressure Pack, a tool specifically designed to help you organise your situation before making crucial decisions. This platform points your focus to the essentials: your HMRC debts covering VAT, PAYE, corporation tax, cash flow, and business finances. We focus on your critical deadlines, significant documents, and any ongoing correspondence. Early organisation creates more options. Rather than attempting to remember everything during a stressful phone call, this tool facilitates the creation of a structured overview of your business. We've combined decades of experience with modern AI technology. Think of it as an assistant, not an advisor, to help you understand complex situations. It helps you organise information by crafting concise summaries and timelines. It highlights missing elements and pinpoints areas that need your attention. It even suggests questions for discussions with advisors and translates complex terminology into plain language. Understanding your position early reduces stress. The most vital feature, it provides a cohesive location for you to comprehend your current situation and identify missing information before it's too late. This isn't about replacing professional advice. It's about equipping you to be informed, organised, and ready when seeking it out. When it's time to engage with an accountant, tax expert, or insolvency practitioner, you won't find yourself struggling to recall months of details. Instead, you will have organised everything in advance: your financial position, relevant documents, a timeline, and key questions. Good preparation leads to better conversations and better decisions. This enables professionals to quickly understand your circumstances, saving valuable time. Minimizing misunderstandings leads to more productive dialogues. Preparation doesn't eliminate financial stress, but it can certainly mitigate uncertainty. My goal is simple: to combine the experience I've gained from investigating companies, working as an IP and forensic accountant, with modern AI technology to help directors reduce stress, organise complex information, and understand their situation more clearly. The result is a growing collection of practical tools that help you prepare for the conversations that matter most. These tools aren't designed to replace professional advice. They're designed to help you become better informed, better organised, and better prepared before those important conversations take place. Because when you truly understand your situation, you're in a far stronger position to decide what comes next. That clarity is where better decisions stem from. HMRC problems are generally easier to deal with before they escalate. Don't respond with panic, approach the situation with clarity. Preparation is the key. If you need more information, guidance and tools, visit www.debtdecoded.co.uk because better decisions stem from a better understanding.